Hi, my name is Evan Archella, and I'd like to show you some tips and tricks for Microsoft Live at EDU. Let's take a look at searching and filtering in Outlook Live. This is the Outlook Live inbox, and right at the top of our message pane, you'll see in this area here we have a search and filter capability. So if I was to look for a particular word like midterm, for example, I can decide how broad or narrow do I want that search to be, so just this folder, maybe across this entire mailbox if I choose. And I can also drop down with this double drop down arrow some more advanced options. So where should the results be, who's it from, maybe what category it happens to have applied to it. Once I've decided what the parameters are for my search, I can go ahead and perform the search. The results will show up right here within the context of the message pane. So you can look through this, find the information that you're after. If you want to clear a search, it's just a matter of simply hitting that red X at the top that clears that search out. You can go ahead and collapse those advanced options. That's searching. So we're using a keyword. We're going looking through our inbox or other folders for that type of content. You also have here what's called a filter. A filter is something that you apply to your inbox or to whatever folder you happen to be working in. It layers across that and basically filters on specific criteria. So who's the message from, what the category was, is it a flagged message, for example. Let's say maybe you got an attachment and you didn't remember what it was called, but you just wanted to apply a quick filter for attachments. That way you can just simply see all of the messages within your inbox that happen to have attachments. So everything that does not have an attachment is essentially filtered out and hidden from view so long as you're looking at this particular filter. Now, if you find yourself doing filters over and over again, so maybe you're filtering on your professor or on a particular person of interest, for example, a parent or another student, you can essentially save that filter. So go ahead and run the filter like I've done here with attachments, and then you'll see a button with a little green plus sign on it here. This will save that filter to your favorites. Your favorites is this area over here on the left-hand side. It is essentially shortcuts to other folders. So what I can do is create a filter here for attachments. Let's go ahead and save it to my favorites. Now you'll see that I have an attachments folder here underneath favorites. So if I clear out the filter, the next time I'm working within my inbox and I want to look for those messages with attachments again, I don't have to take the 2 or 3 different steps that it takes to actually apply the filter. I can simply come over to favorites, click the attachments shortcut that I've placed there, and go ahead and run that filter automatically in one click. Let me give you a few resources for Live at EDU. Microsoft.com/Live at EDU is the main Live at EDU website. You can learn more about the program there. You'll also find the Live at EDU blog to be a useful place for learning about what's new with these tools, things that may be coming along, different changes that we're making. You'll also find help.outlook.com to be a helpful place for the Outlook Live application itself. This is the same place you can get to if you go to the little blue circle with the white question mark in it within the Outlook Live application itself. Both ways will take you to help.outlook.com. Also, if you go to Bing, do a search for Office Web Apps Product Guide, you'll get a detailed PDF on all the features that are included in our Office Web Apps applications, which are now integrated into SkyDrive, which is another Live at EDU technology. Thanks again for your time today. I look forward to having you on another screencast.